If you are tired of spending hours manually chopping up long video clips, there is a much smarter, automated way to handle your editing workflow. Whether you are working with a long sit-down interview, a live stream recording, or any raw footage, the goal is always to find those hidden gems without the headache. The secret weapon that many editors ignore is built right into most professional software, and it is called scene detection. Instead of scrubbing through hours of footage, you simply locate your file, right-click, and select the Auto Scene Detect feature. The software instantly scans your video and drops cut markers wherever it notices a logical break or a change in the shot. This saves you from the tedious task of hunting for the good parts and gives you a clean list of segmented clips to start with. Once those mini clips are generated, you do not have to commit to everything the software found. You can skim through the results, play back the ones that look interesting, and easily delete the segments that just do not fit your vibe. When you have the clips you like, you simply select them all and drag them onto your main timeline for final adjustments. This simple workflow is fantastic, but we have to be realistic about the trade-offs of using traditional editing tools. While software like DaVinci Resolve is powerful, managing a high volume of clips for consistent daily uploads can still feel like a slow manual grind. You still have to manually run the detection, sift through the cuts, organize them, export them, and then log into social media to post. That is exactly where dedicated platforms like Vizard start to prove their worth, specifically for creators who need to publish content at scale. Vizard takes the core concept of auto-cutting, but wraps it in intelligent features designed to find your most viral moments automatically. Instead of just cutting at shot changes, it uses AI to identify high-engagement moments, like punchlines or intense reactions, that are perfect for short-form clips. It even ranks those clips based on their potential to perform well, saving you the guesswork of deciding what to post first. The real magic happens with the auto-scheduling feature, which eliminates the need to manually log into TikTok or Instagram every single day. You define your posting frequency and platform strategy, and the tool manages the queue, keeping your content calendar consistently full. This means you can batch process your long-form content once and let the system handle the distribution over the entire week. The content calendar view is a huge efficiency boost because you can see exactly what is scheduled and make quick edits in one central interface. Now, let's be fair, Vizard isn't trying to replace high-end frame-by-frame color grading tools that pros use for cinematic films. However, for the daily grind of publishing clips and staying consistent, the auto-edit and auto-schedule combination beats a manual workflow every single time. Many other platforms offer pieces of this puzzle, but they often charge extra for advanced features or require you to jump between different apps. Vizard hits a sweet spot by offering creator-first features that remove technical overhead without feeling like an enterprise-level expensive nightmare. Let me walk you through the Vizard flow, which mirrors the scene detection logic you already know, but with a much smarter brain. Step 1 is simply uploading your long video to the Vizard dashboard. Step 2 is letting the AI analyze the footage to pinpoint key moments based on engagement cues rather than just visual cuts. Step 3 gives you a list of suggested clips where you can quickly review, delete the ones you don't like, or even merge moments. Step 4 is choosing your posting strategy, whether you want an immediate export or to use the auto-scheduler to drip feed content over time. Finally, Step 5 involves checking the content calendar to ensure everything looks perfect and ready for the audience. All of this friction-free movement allows podcasters, streamers, and educators to repurpose long content without needing a degree in editing. If you want to get the best out of these tools, I always recommend taking a quick glance at the auto-detected clips before you hit the final schedule button. AI is incredible, but it might not always catch a subtle inside joke or a specific piece of context that you personally want to highlight. Also, consider the total time you are spending. A cheap tool that requires an hour of manual effort is often more expensive than a solution that automates the heavy lifting. At the end of the day, whether you use traditional scene detection or an all-in-one AI platform, the goal is the same: stay consistent. You want to find the logical breaks, clean up the errors, and get your best content out to your followers without the grind. If you value absolute control and have the time to edit every frame by hand, keep using your classic editing software. But for the rest of us trying to scale our content, adopting an automated workflow is just plain better for our productivity and our sanity. So right-click and detect, or upload and automate. Either way, just get the clips, tidy them up, and get them out into the world. Consistency is what builds the audience, and smart automation is what gives you the freedom to keep that consistency without burning out. Let me know if you would like me to draft a simple step-by-step checklist to help you standardize your own daily upload routine.